Hey everybody, so today I finally got my Young Nails mystery box. So I know a lot of people are still waiting on theirs and I know a lot of people were disappointed. I got mystery box A. I also ordered some monomer, so that's going to be in here. I have not opened it yet, as you can see. I wanted to wait and do it on camera. So I've been waiting all day and now we're going to go ahead and get right to it, pop it open, see what's in here. Like I said, a lot of people were posting that they got Mystery Box B and it was all polished, so kind of scared. I got Mystery Box A. I haven't seen a lot about what was in it, so we're going to go ahead and hop right to this. By the way, it was delivered upside down. I did order a few bottles of monomer because it was on super sale. Oh god, there's glitter in it. Ugh. It's everywhere. Jesus. Okay, so there's acrylic in here because it's dumped all over everything. Ugh. That's awesome. Thanks a lot, Young Nails. That's all I needed was stripper glitter all over me. And there's purple spilled everywhere. Some kind of purple powder. So that's awesome. Ew. I don't know about you guys, but the feel of acrylic powder just kind of freaks me out. I don't know, it feels like it's crawling on me. Anyway, we'll go ahead and set those to the side. We'll finish cleaning those later. So I got that, and let's go ahead and pull off the... Wow, there is glitter and powder all in here. Okay. Not super happy with the way they packaged it. Obviously something opened up, but whatever. So needless to say, something in here is broken. And if it's nail polish, I'm going to be super mad and you guys are going to listen to me cuss. Because it's not even gel polish that they're sending out. Ugh, gross. Okay. So it looks like it's all slick pour. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the slick pours. This is Paper Airplane, which looks to be a white. That's a, yeah, definitely white. It's for sure the purple one that's open. That's, yeah, it's just wide open, as you can see. It is a bright purple, though. The lid won't even go back on here. This is... I kind of don't want to let... I don't know what the glitter's from, though. This is Wine Flight. Alright, let's try to figure out what that glitter is. This is Cosmic Peace. That's pretty bright. That looks like the one they did in their demo. Jesus, it's everywhere. Alright, Cosmic Peace. This is Truth Serum. That's actually kind of pretty. I'm not a big fan of glitter, so... But that one's really dark and pretty. I can't tell if that's my dog hair or someone else's. Jesus. Yeah, so I'm not super impressed with their packaging. This is Front and Center. I don't even want to touch this. Ugh. More glitter. So that's 3 glitters. This one is Rev Your Engine. Looks like a red. It's kind of a shimmery brick red. This is Spiritual Steamer. These names are a little much. That's a silver. More glitter. I think that's the glitter that, well, there's glitter from everything in here. Looks like every one of them leaked. That purple is staining. This one is Hope Drunk. Oh God. That's excessive. Oops, sorry. This one is Sports Fanatic. I think I've seen this one. It's like a really bright blue. That is excessive. Like super blue. And I think the Slick Pour is like 2-in-1 acrylic and dip. Sorry, I can't get this stupid lid back on. Give me just a second. Yeah, it's like a 2-in-1 dip acrylic, or dip and acrylic, I think. And then the last one is Baby Baby. And it's covered in purple. Like, ugh. And that's like a shimmery white. I don't know if you can see this. So, yeah, I guess it's not bad for 30 bucks. I know a lot of people were super disappointed. Obviously I haven't got to use them yet, so I will be doing a demo with them because I know the Slick Pours are kind of new. And I will be doing that later today. How much powder is in here? Get it together, young nails. That's all I'm saying. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're doing our giveaway once we get to 500 subscribers. And as always, thanks for watching.